the road. We was in Destin last night. We headed towards Pensacola today. Doing a little looking around, seeing what we can find. Almost sitting over here enjoying herself. Hollywood sunglasses on. We got 3 grandbabies with us. They back there watching the Florida game on TV. They big Florida fans. They watching football on TV as they go down the road on internet TV. That's a good thing about it. On internet TV. He's a human magnet?
Don't post the stop.
That's kind of weird now.
Stop.
Huh?
I said stop.
Stop. Stop what? Here we are. Airport's over yonder. Plane going down behind the shopping mall. We took Mama to Best Buy, let her get what she wants. We're going to survive somehow. We're going to try to get back fishing this morning in a little while. Well, this afternoon in a little while. Huh?
I want to go to the beach.
You want to go to the beach? We're going to go to the beach and surf fish. We're going to surf fish.
I got tips on one kayak.
What?
I can't have both kayaks. It's not fair.
Both kayaks. We're going to have to get them in the water. We're going to have to wash them stinky things out. They stink. Hey. Hey. I got the prettiest woman in the world walking with me. She looks like a mini me. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mini me.
Nuh-uh.
Yes sir, buddy.
Nuh-uh.
We walking over here to give Mama some money. We get over here and give Mama some money. Mama wants money. So we got to take her some money to get her iPad.
Hey, Papa.
What's the matter? Huh? Well, you better catch it. You can kayak, paddleboard, fly a kite, or just sit on the beach. Or you can fish. You can do anything you want to down here. Beautiful day. Sun ain't too bright. Boat out there on the horizon. Just a fishing. Leave it all out there in the rough water. Kayaking. Some of the time, sometimes she's swimming. Carson done run out of gas. There goes the kite. There goes the bird. There goes the plane. And I'm Superman. Well, we're sitting here at the beach, winding down after the big birthday bash. I had my birthday party with all my family that was born in September, October, November. They got about 7 or 8 of us on the cake. It's my let's see, 21. It's my 50th, 21st birthday. I've had 21 birthdays. I'm 21 years old and I've had my birthday 21st birthday 50 times. I'm trying to sit here and unwind and rest a little bit before we get up and get the camper in shape to go. We got to be out of here by sundown. Mama wants to be over at another place before 6 o'clock where they close. She wants to pick something up. So we're going to get ready and go. We're going to straighten this here up. It's been a mess all weekend with them 3 grandbabies in here. You can't keep stuff sorted out. So we're going to change some stuff around here in a few minutes and get out of Dodge. But we sitting down here at the beach. We come to the beach and they fished and they swam and rode kayaks and tried to kayak surf and rode paddle boards and everything. And then I catered my birthday dinner out of Walmart. We called up there and they sell 50 pieces of chicken. I'm not sure. I think it's $45 for 50 pieces of chicken. You can't buy fresh chicken that cheap and cook it yourself. I bought 50 pieces of chicken, about 3-4 packs of Hawaiian rolls. Big old tub of tater salad. 3 of them little old, they need to put baked beans in a bigger container for families. I bought 3 containers of baked beans and they ate them baked beans. They were good baked beans for store-bought beans out of the deli. We bought them store-bought beans. That tater salad was good. The coleslaw was good. Everything we had was good. But I catered my birthday dinner out of Walmart. Besides all the junk my grandkids I let them buy while we was there. Let's see. We bought 2 things of Oreo. We got a chocolate and a white Oreo cookie. We bought a rod holder for beach fishing, surf fishing. And something else we bought that didn't pertain to the meal, but $144 on everything. I fed about 35, 40 people for $144 catered out of Wally World. My favorite camping place. But they ain't cheap, boys, I'm telling you. Since I left the house on Friday night, I've spent $400 at Walmart. It took us $200 to get these kids ready to fish and do everything and buy some cookies and sandwich stuff and stuff. And then that catered up meal today. I spent $400 at Walmart. I pay well for that camping spot. But boys, we eat good. I'll tell you that, we eat good. They catered up real good. We had paper plates and cutlery, that plastic silverware we bought, and drinks and ice, and hey, we done it up right here in the parking lot of the Henderson Beach Resort. Hey, we had a good time. Cost them $6 to get in. I got a free pass because I'm an old man and decrepit and disabled. I got in free. Cost them $6 a carload to get in. But hey, we had a good time. Try you some.
I'm glad I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Naps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.